Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Use Basics. Today we are going to learn how to release dragon in Candy Crush Saga. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open the level you want to open, tap on it. Over here, tap on play. Then you come across this page. Here you can see the guidance. They are guiding you how to release dragon. Here, swap down. There you go. The dragon has been released. Likewise, over here at the bottom you can see egg crack. Tap on egg crack. Skip the tutorial for now. There you can see now what you have to do is clear all the jellies out there, and then you have to bring the dragon till the bottom by playing. You can do it like this. You can release dragons. There you go, you have completed the level and you have released the dragon. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.